Okay, so here is the Darius iPhone case and your iPhone 3G. To put it in, make sure that you align the button side and insert it here first. Okay, get it inside. Okay, and then you just click here, snaps it. Okay, that is the installation. Okay, everything's good. And to remove it, just make sure that you use your index finger to put here, okay? And then you hold the case like this with your left hand. And then your right hand, just make the corner outside, slide it all the way down, okay? And remove it, okay? But make sure that, okay, don't push too hard because otherwise you may hurt your finger. So this is the installation and remove.